you can see here, we have two different rulers. One of them is not very precise. We'll call that ruler A. Ruler B is more precise because it has much finer markings. So you can see here that the markings on ruler A only are every 1 centimeter, whereas the markings on ruler B go to every 1/10 of a centimeter, which makes it a more precise measuring tool. So if you were to measure this red bar here using ruler A, the ruler would tell you that the length of the red bar is somewhere between 2 and 3 centimeters. So without a doubt, you can write down that the ones place for this particular measurement is 2. Now the rule is that you are allowed to estimate one more digit than the instrument provides. So this gives you the ones digit, and now you are allowed to estimate the tenths digit. Okay, so I'm going to say that this looks to me like about 2.7, but if you said 2.6 or 2.8, that would be fine too, because it's an estimate. If, however, we were going to measure the same bar using a more precise ruler like ruler B, you would now see that yes, it's definitely still between 2 centimeters and 3 centimeters, but it is also definitely between 2.7 and 2.8. So this gives us another degree of precision. It gives us another sig fig, another digit. So ones digit is 2. Then we know that the tenths place has to be a 6. And then we are going to estimate somewhere in between there, so about 2.65. Okay, so you can see that the finer the gradations, the more precise the instrument, the more sig figs you get. Now, one confusion arises when you have something that you're measuring which ends up sitting directly on one of the markings. Let me show you what I mean. So if this bar were to be exactly like that, all right, some people get confused because they forget the rule that we just talked about. So now this ruler tells you the ones place. So for the ones place, I'm going to say it is 3. Don't just leave it like that, okay? This ruler gives you the ones place, so you have to estimate the tenths place. And in this case, because it's right on the line, it's going to be 3.0. Okay, now, same thing again. If you go down here with the more precise ruler, again, it's right on the line. And so the ruler gives you the ones place. This ruler is more precise, so it gives you the tenths place, 0, and then you have to estimate the hundredths place, which is also going to be 0. So once again, the instrument tells you the number of sig figs that you need to write down. Thank you for listening.